Now, if your body feels locked up from stress or you're simply tired of feeling like you're constantly stuck in survival mode, you don't need an intense workout today. Sometimes you just need to slow everything down and move your body in a completely different way. So, for the next 10 minutes, I'm going to guide you through gentle somatic movements using body awareness, muscular tension and release, and a clinically studied breathing technique to help you slow down, soften some of that tension you've been carrying, and reconnect with your body. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jamie, a holistic health practitioner. So find a comfortable seated position, take a moment to notice how your body feels right now, and let's reset together. Keep your shoulders relaxed and allow your eyes to move slowly towards the right, with your head gently following. There's no need to stretch your neck, just look around in the space you're in. Slowly come back through to the center and repeat towards the left. Notice a color or a shape or something your eyes naturally land on. Slowly return to the center. We'll repeat that once more. Nice and slowly, looking around, and gently bring it back to the center and over to the left. Coming back to the center, keeping your hips comfortably grounded. Now allow your rib cage to glide towards the right, coming back through to the center and gently towards the left. Now keep slowly engaging in this movement. We're not trying to create the biggest stretch possible. We're paying attention to the movement itself. This is where proprioception becomes important. Proprioception is your brain's awareness of where your body is positioned in space. As you move, notice the pressure beneath you, where your weight shifts, and how one side feels compared with the other. Keep moving slowly from side to center and to the other side. Start making these movements smaller and smaller each time, from the center to one side, back to the center, and to the other side. Slowly making them smaller and smaller. One last time, over to one side, center, and the opposite side. Now let's deliberately create a little tension. Slowly bring your shoulders up towards your ears, hold, and now take your time releasing them, letting them become completely heavy. Again, slowly lift, hold, and release. Psychological stress doesn't only exist as a thought. It can increase activity through muscles such as the upper traps around the shoulders and neck. I want you to notice the difference between creating muscular effort and deliberately removing it. Lifting the shoulders, hold, and slowly releasing, letting them become heavy. One more time, lifting, holding, and releasing it all, letting your shoulders drop. Keeping your shoulders heavy, we're going to bring the attention towards the jaw. Without clenching your teeth, we're going to gently engage the muscles around your jaw, holding for 3, 2, 1, and slowly let that effort disappear. Again, gentle tension, holding for 3, 2, 1, and slowly releasing. Allow your teeth to separate. Let your lips soften and relax your tongue. One last time, gentle tension around the jaw, holding for 3, 2, 1, and gently release. Allow your body to begin moving again, very slowly swaying from side to side. Let the movement stay comfortable. If your body naturally wants to turn that sway into a small circle, let it. This awareness of internal bodily sensations is a part of what we call interoception. Notice your breathing, the weight of your body, the movement through your torso, and just what feels comfortable today. Keep slowly moving wherever your body feels like moving. Slowly let your body return to center, placing your palms either on your thighs or on the floor in front of you. Pressing down for 3, 2, 1, and then slowly take the pressure away. Let's repeat. Press. Notice the muscular effort. And release. And again. The important part here isn't how hard you press. It's whether you can actually feel the difference between effort, less effort, and no effort at all. Again, press. 3, 2, 1, and release. One last time. Pressing for 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Now let your body begin to sway again, but this time we're going to gradually take the movement away. So start wherever feels natural. Let your breathing be normal. There's nothing to achieve here. Just some nice, slow movements. Gradually make your movements slightly smaller, keeping the movement still free as your body wishes, making sure that your breathing is natural. Again, let's make those movements a little smaller. Let the flow of your body stop producing unnecessary effort and let it just flow. Smaller and smaller movements until eventually there's almost no movement left at all. Coming back into stillness. Taking a deep breath through your nose and then a second smaller inhale and a long, slow exhale. Let your breath return to normal, and we'll repeat this again. Inhaling, another inhale, and a long, comfortable exhale. This breathing pattern is known as the psychological sigh. Again, inhale. Don't force the inhale or empty your lungs aggressively. Return to your normal breathing, and we'll do one more. Inhale. Again, inhale. And release nice and slowly, returning your breath back to normal. Remember how your body felt when we first started. Notice everything that we've done and how much effort your body feels like it's using right now. Sometimes the smallest shift is enough. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.